What's up guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Various cloud formations might be one of the most beautiful and romantic sights in nature. Still, these masses of liquid droplets is also a complex and scientifically interesting natural phenomenon. The interesting fact is that, regardless of the shape and the looks of the cloud, they're all made of the same thing: condensed water or ice. When the sun heats the ground, warm air starts to evaporate and rise towards the sky. Once these water vapor particles cluster together, a cloud is formed. If it's being joined by more water crystals and keeps growing, it will eventually reach us on the ground as rain or snow. Otherwise, the cloud simply evaporates into thin air. Even though all the beautiful cloud formation might seem random and indescribable to you, there's a whole cloud classification system that's uniform worldwide. Here are the 9 strange phenomena seen in the clouds. 9. Wave clouds. One of the rarest and most fleeting formations, this cartoon-like breaking wave is the holy grail for many cloud spotters. It occurs almost everywhere in the world and at all levels of the atmosphere. But it only lasts a few minutes before dispersing without a trace. The crashing wave pattern is caused when swift, warm air flows over a colder, denser, more sluggish layer. As physicists William Kelvin and Hermann von Helmholtz discovered, the differences in the speed and densities of these clouds creates a shear force where they meet, producing undulations in the boundary between the two. If the speed difference is just right, the tops of the denser ripples can roll up, surge forwards, and tip over in a series of vortices, just like a breaking ocean wave. When clouds happen to form at the horizontal boundary, this invisible air force is briefly made visible. Though beautiful, these turbulent atmospheric waves are a sign that the air is extremely unstable and may be dangerous to aircrafts. 8. Lenticular clouds, UFO clouds. These lens-shaped clouds typically form where stable moist air flows over a mountain or a range of mountains. When this happens, a series of large-scale standing waves may form on the mountain's downwind side. If the temperature at the crest of the wave drops to the dew point, moisture in the air may condense to form lenticular clouds. As the moist air moves back down into the trough of the wave, the cloud may evaporate back into the vapor. So lenticular clouds can appear and disappear relatively quickly. Plus, they're not familiar to people who live in low-lying or flat terrain. And just to confound things, lenticular clouds have also been known to form in non-mountainous places as the result of shear winds created by a front. For all of these reasons, lenticular clouds are often mistaken for UFOs or visual cover for UFOs. 7. Feather-like clouds. Cirrus clouds are wispy, feathery, and composed entirely of ice crystals. They often are the first sign of an approaching warm front or upper-level jet streak. Unlike cirrostratus clouds form more of a widespread veil-like layer. As the skies clear and the sun shines once again, you can also observe the thin, wispy, feather-like clouds in the sky. They really give beautiful sunsets and are higher in the sky than usual clouds. Their formation may amaze you, as tiny crystals of ice that form them. However, these clouds are a warning sign. They may look cheerful, but they are often the sign of a gloomy, stormy weather ahead. Sailors and weather forecasters often use these clouds as signals to return home before they're caught at sea. 6. Pouch-like clouds. Have you ever seen of a pouch-like clouds? Well, they are called mammatus clouds. Mammatus clouds are pouch-like protrusions hanging from the undersides of clouds. Usually thunderstorm anvil clouds, but other types of clouds as well. Composed primarily of ice, these cloud pouches can extend hundreds of miles in any direction, remaining visible in your sky for perhaps 10 or 15 minutes at a time. People associate them with severe weather And it's true they can appear around before or after a storm, but in a way that's so common in nature. Their dangerous aspect goes hand in hand with a magnificent beauty. 5. Hole Punch Cloud. Residents of Wonthaggi, Australia, snapped pictures of a rare, rainbow-filled hole punch cloud on Monday. By the next day, the photos had gone viral with speculation about the unusual phenomenon overhead. Clouds are made of water droplets, and hole punch clouds, also known as fall streak hole clouds, occur when part of that cloud falls out, leaving behind a hole. That opening in the cloud is the result of an extremely localized snowfall. In a hole punch cloud, temperatures fall in only a small portion of the cloud, forming a localized snowstorm. When that snow falls, it leaves behind a hole. Refraction of sunlight by the ice crystals results in the rainbow, while the arrangement of those crystals gives us a bright patch of light in the middle called the sundog. 4. Angel Cloud. A man in Derbyshire, England, captured a photo of a spectacular phenomenon in the sky, and his dazzling photograph has gone viral. He snapped a picture of what appeared to be an angel with a glowing rainbow halo around its head, hovering in the sky just above the grass. "Sometimes I think I'm lucky," he wrote on Facebook, sharing the now viral image. "Today I saw this rare weather phenomenon called Broken Spectre. My shadow and a circular rainbow projected onto a low cloud." 3. Face Clouds. Some say it's a sign from above, while others believe it's a scientific phenomenon. Others have questioned whether it's even real or the product of expert photoshopping skills. Whichever side you're on, it makes for remarkable viewing. Footage has emerged of a rolling storm cloud taking an incredible form. And unlike other storm videos, this cloud hasn't been captured on a path of destruction. The incredible video shows what looks to be a human face in the cloud. At first glance, it looks to simply be a regular storm cloud. But as the camera pans and the cloud moves, something quite incredible becomes apparent. As the storm makes its way toward the sun, a very clear and defined face can be seen. The footage was uploaded to social sharing site Imgur and has since had thousands of views. Users have taken to the comments section to express their amazement, with one saying, "Looks like an Indian chief," and another said, "That's a face. Whoa." It's not clear from the footage where in the world it was filmed. 2. City Above the Clouds. A video purporting to show a mass of skyscrapers towering above clouds in the Chinese city of Foshan has gone viral, sparking talk of parallel universes and even secret NASA plans to fake the second coming of Jesus. Really? The brief video glimpse of buildings hovering in the sky could be fake. After all, despite claims in media reports that hundreds or even thousands of people witnessed the event, there's just one video of the scene, and none of the thousands of purported witnesses seem to have come forward to talk about it. At least none of them is quoted in the approximately 40 billion breathless articles, posts and tweets on the topic since the video popped up on YouTube in early October. After analyzing, meteorologists claimed that the video was actually fake, saying that the natural environment in the location makes it impossible to form such atmospheric phenomenon, the broadcaster reported. 1. Fire-breathing dragon. This photographer could not believe his eyes when he captured a fire-breathing dragon in the clouds above. Adding to the illusion created in the night sky over Lake Travis, Lago Vista, Texas, was the fact that the setting sun helped illuminate the cloud formation too. The reds and orange hues bringing the flames to life. In Joe Moxley's stunning shots, the head of the dragon can be seen emerging from the clouds beneath, a stream of flames shooting from the beast's mouth. Thanks for watching. For more videos, just like and subscribe to this channel. Also, ring the notification button so you won't miss out for the latest videos.